I only buy these ribeyes with a bone when they're on sale. Yeah, when I buy them when you don't fall for the marketing ploy. Who wants to buy a bone? The rest of it is ribeye, though. Look at that. Yeah. And I buy them when they're marked down. I don't buy them, you know. Well, who wants to pay for a bone? When you look at the goodness.
Audiology team 7 days a week, so your hearing aids work when it matters most. Lively hearing. All day Sunday starting 10/9 Central.
That's wonderful.
Today, with daytime highs approaching 88, winds out of the 70s, 8 to 15 miles per hour. Perfect cloudy skies again tonight. Lows dip down to about 72. Sunshine mixed with clouds at times tomorrow. Daytime highs approaching 96. Right now, 81.
Decades of the most amazing music ever made on your mobile app, smart speaker, and radio. This is where classic rock rules. KRRY, Canton, a town square media station.
Yeah, it works, but for my fishing in the boat, it doesn't work as good. I don't drink my soda that fast, and Carolina Chris's Koozie is more stable. It sits flat. It's metal, and I tell you what, it will, in this bright sunlight, it will hold the cold. And I'm sorry, Calvin. I'm bringing your Koozie along for luck, but I'm not using it. I'll use it on the four-wheeler, or I'll use it back in camp. That's where, where I'm sucking down soda quicker. But yeah, as far as if we're comparing them for fishing, by far Carolina Chris's Koozie works better. Oh, I'm getting a bite. I'll be back. Here's where your Koozie outperforms Carolina Chris's Koozie. Carolina Chris's Koozie won't even fit in here, and yours will just fit. Just fits. Just like that. And I tend to drink faster on here because the vibration of this tends to make the bubbles, it makes it go flat. So this works out better. So Calvin, you got the better Koozie when it comes to this. Carolina Chris doesn't even fit in there. He won't even fit in the big one. No, I gotta leave this Koozie home. I don't know if you can see it there or not. There's 3 cats so far. One about 3 pounds, and the other are my favorite. Yeah, little whole fryers, about 1.5 pounds, maybe a pound. I got 2 on stink bait and 1. I got 2 on that triple S and one on the night crawlers. But I've been feeding them, man, I've been feeding them. I've had a lot of bites. I can't keep them pulls in the water, but you think I can hook them today? They're pretty tricky. No clouds in the sky. Just a hazy heat. Beautiful day.
Take care, Davy Crockett, with your good sound and self while you cruise in the back streets of Illinois.
Yeah, today's catch, 4 cats and 3 bluegills. I had the 4 cats there. I didn't even start fishing till 11. Yeah, that's when I got on the water at 11. And I had those by 1, the 4 cats. Then I went down just pissing around, fishing a different kind of way, and caught those bluegills. I had several bites, but they were little ones. Anyway, I got supper. That was the main thing. Wait, look at the goodness. Look. Fresh caught. Hours. Never been frozen. Look.